Hey guys, Justin again from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Look forward to those of you that are on the team into getting into trading tomorrow. Looking forward to Monday and what Monday brings. With that being said, as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be our weekly watch list that we post. We do have 5 great plays here that we have found that do have great potential here in the coming week. As well as you guys know, if you have watched previous videos, we really like to break down the market, as a lot of these will be following the market unless you do get something moving on news or momentum like NEO. With that being said, before I get started, if you'd like to check out our private team to get our daily alerts, more content, more course access, check out simplified-investing.com. We would love to have you guys on board. And also, if you guys could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate that. So basically, getting started, as I mentioned before, I always like to go through the market. Where are we heading on the market? What are we seeing on the market here? Really, what I'm seeing here is we failed to, I kept mentioning to the team on Friday here, we're watching this 358.85 level here. Where or why does this level pose importance here? That was that level we hit here on back here on 9.2 before we had this big sell-off here on SPY here, all the way from 358 down here to 320. So again, that's almost a 10% move here on SPY here. I wanted to see that daily close and penetration through that level here on Friday. We did end up hitting that level here, and we do see that we did fail to break above that level here. And again, you can see that we get on 11.9 here, that vaccine news. We gap through here. Look at these sellers taking control here. The most volume we've seen in a long time here on SPY. Trading almost 175 million contracts here to the downside. Again, these are all mainly sell orders here, pushing down from 364, gapping all the way down here $10 on the day. So the key here tomorrow is going to be if we can break above here at this 358 level here, gap through and see if we can push through and retest of this 364.38 high, or if we do get rejected here, we do have that support provided below at 352.61. But again, break above this level here at 358.80 will be a key telling sign here if we can continue this uptrend move here. Again, trying to push up here, lots of consolidation into this weekly chart here. So if you go out on the weekly, you can see that market's getting pretty indecisive here on this candle. We're trying to see if we can break out again above that 358.80 level here. Let's see tomorrow if we can get a break above that. That will be the key telling sign if we can make these higher high levels here. Again, with that 364.38 resistance here being the high on SPY. Again, that will be the key level to watch here. Let's see if we can continue this uptrend here, push through, retest on Tuesday of the support here, and then make another leg up here throughout the end of the week over 364.38. With that being said, the first play that we are watching, and one that we've been playing several times recently and have had great success on, is going to be NEO. Again, when people keep mentioning NEO, this is one that we've called out back here since $20. And one thing you have to take into consideration when you do get this overextension here, again, something that trades from $22 all the way up to $54, you have to expect these pullbacks here. Again, you can see we had this very wide range day here. Look at these wicks all the way down here from $40 up here to $54. So we're getting that volatility coming in on NEO. You can expect these pullbacks that you see here on NEO when you are uptrending so much. Again, you can't just have something that just keeps going up and up and up without these pullbacks here. This pullback is normal. Now, what do you watch? You watch to see if we form a new trend. So if we start making lower lows off of this bearish engulfing here, then we do have that downtrend with the potential to see that 38 region here. Or do we just have a slight correction here, people taking profits down here from $20 and then continue this uptrend move here? Again, that will be the telling sign. Trading almost 600 million contracts here on Friday and a lot to the downside here in the morning. We had this gap up here. If we go to the 5-day, 5-minute, we had this first gap up here, reversal here off of this bearish engulfing. We actually played puts here on Friday, right on this 945 candle, hit this high, or hit this low here, bounced, and then we're continuously making lower lows here. Key level for tomorrow, over 46.24 will be key here. I don't want to see, if we're trying to play this trend up here on NEO, I want to see it not make lower lows tomorrow. So I don't want to see it break below this 40.13 level here, making those lower lows, indicating a potential downtrend forming here with volume. So again, that key point here at that 40 region is going to be what I'm watching. And then again, 46.14 or 46.24 will be the key for the upside here on NEO. Again, I can't stress this enough. These pullbacks will happen when you have something that's so overextended here. Now you see if we can consolidate and still run up on that uptrend, or are we forming a new downtrend here on NEO? The second play is going to be ACB. This is one that we've been watching too. Again, you can see we always tell our members and always tell people, follow the volume, follow the volume. Look at all the volume flowing into these cannabis stocks here recently. Constant lower low here on the daily chart here. However, we are getting that influx of volume here. I like this gap up here off of 11.5 into highs here on 11.9. Now we get this sell-off here, profit taking. Now let's see if we can form this correction here, and I'll draw this base support that I found here. So again, we have this base support here. Where do I get this base support? That's where we gap down here off of 922, retested here, retested, gap here. So we have this strong support provided here at 620. Now let's see if we can get this gap. We got this gap down here. Now let's see consolidation and over 794 here tomorrow for a continued run to the upside. Again, ACB selling off here. Now we get this consolidation. Now let's break above 794 here for a continued run to the upside with a potential cup formation here back up towards these this $12, $13 price point with that support provided down below at 620. Partial reason for the sell-off here, post-earnings drop here. That's why you see all this volume. So now we're selling off. Market's trying to digest everything from earnings. Now let's see this consolidation, break above here at 794 or a retest of the 620 support here on ticker symbol ACB. The third play, another good one, is going to be MU. We're constantly making higher highs off of this low here on 821. Again, you can see higher high reversal points here, higher high, higher high. Now we get this cup formation here, trying to break out. The key for me that I'm watching here is going to be a breakout here above this 58.18 level here. We did test this level here intraday. 58.36, excuse me. We tested this level, got rejected. Where's that 58.36 level here? That's where we failed here back on 219 before we sold off all the way down to $31 here. So let's see if we can get MU to form this cup formation, break out over this 58.36 level, retest of that support here at 58.36, hold for a continued run up here. Again, looking good in this higher highs here. I want to see a gap through, pullback correction, retest of that 58.36 level, hold there, and then get another leg up here. Volume, not as strong as I'd like to see, which is why it's at the bottom of the list. There's not much volume flowing into MU, but let's see if we can get volume above 58.36 this week and see if we can get a continued run to see that 61.19 high here on ticker symbol MU. The fourth play, another good one that's setting up here. So if you guys have heard of a cup and handle formation, this is a prime example here. So if you look at Google, you can see we got rejected here at 9.2 at the 17.31.21 level here. So if you can think of a cup, you get this big cup formation here. We gap through this key resistance. You want to see a gap through that high of where the cup begins at 17.31. Now we get the handles. So here's the cup. Handle retest, confirming this support here down below at 17.31, and now Google trying to break out and retest highs here at 18.18 in this coming week. So again, we have that very strong support provided here at 17.31, textbook cup and handle breakout here. Now we form this consolidation and trying to make another leg up here off of this gap up here that we saw from 11.3 into 11.4. So now let's see if we can form this new continuation here up on Google with a price target here at 18.18 with that support provided below at this 17.35 region. So again, gap up here, textbook cup and handle. We have that strong base support provided below off after this gap up here. Now let's see if we can push towards highs here at 18.06. The last play, one that we've been eyeing a lot recently, Boeing finally reviving and coming back with volume here. So again, you can see all this volume here that we did see during this March sell-off. We had some volume back here on 6.8, and then we die down. Now we're finally seeing an influx of volume here on Boeing in this 180 to 177 price range here. Lots of buy orders coming in here on Friday. A strong close here, up 6% on the day. What I want to see is if we can break above here at 189, and then we can see that 193 level here. And really what the strongest level that we have above, resistance at 222.86, obviously a ways out here, but the key telling sign will be over 193 here with potential to hit that 200 price range. We first just have to break out of that 193 range, 202.18, the next level above here. So let's see this push up here. We got that pullback correction here, lighter volume. We get the strong volume here to the upside. Now let's see tomorrow if we can break this 193.45 level here and continue this uptrend here that we are trying to form here on Boeing after breaking out of this lower low consolidation period here from 6.9 all the way down here to 9.28. So let's see if we can start that new uptrend here. Resistance again, 202.18 and above here at 222.86. liking this formation here setting up on Boeing. Now we just need some more volume here coming in on Monday. Let's see if we can break above that 193 price target, and then we can see that 202 on the weekly chart here. With that being said, that wraps up the video for this week. Some solid setup plays that we are watching here. NEO will be one of the closest ones to watch here in the coming day. With that being said, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested again in getting our private alerts, our private access community where we post our watch list, again, you get our alerts, our course, and really looking to take your trading to the next level, check out simplified-investing.com today. We would love to have you guys. Again, hope you have a great weekend and look forward to Monday with the team. Thank you.